This is part one of installing the JDK or the Java Development Kit. The second part will be configuring the Java Development Kit. So to download, the first thing we need to do is to get the software. And rather than tell you the web page or anything like that, we're actually just going to do a very simple search for JDK download. And that should pop the Oracle website at the top, which it has done. So we're just going to pick that up. And we're after the brand new version of Java, so we're going to go for the Java 7 version. Just going to select that one, and then Oracle will give us a list of all the different flavors of operating system that we can choose. The other thing we need to do at this point is to accept the license agreement. I'm sure when you've got time you'll have a read of it. We've read it quite a few times, so we don't need to do it this time. The version that we're going to install today is the Java JDK for 32-bit because we're running it on a Windows XP machine. So we need the Windows x86 version, which is this one here. So just going to click on it, and the download will begin. So we're just going to save this file, and as you can see in the corner, it's going to take about 2 minutes to run. So we'll come back when that 2 minutes is over. Okay, the download has completed, so just click on the download now, and we get this message that says it's an executable file. We obviously know what we're doing, so we're going to execute it. Say OK, and at the same time I'm going to lower the Firefox. So just going to say run to that. And it takes a couple of seconds while it sorts itself out. Okay, and there we have the beginning of the Java installation. We're just going to say next to this. There's nothing much you can do other than read what it says. And in this area here, we can actually specify all the bits and pieces that we want from the JDK. In this case, we want everything, so we are going to just say, yeah, we'll have that. So just say next. Before we go any further, we're also given the opportunity to put our own different path in for the installation. In this case, we're just going to accept it because we are going to change it in the configuration to run it at different places within the folder system. But this is okay. This is what they want to use, so we'll accept that. Let's go for next. And it doesn't take long for it to start installation. The whole thing should take about 5 minutes altogether. Okay, we now have another option to change our folders. We're going to keep with what we've got and just say next. And then we have an advert from Oracle. Just ignore it and wait for everything to be copied and installed. Okay, and now the Java development kit has been installed. The next part of this tutorial will look at configuring it so that you can run it from a folder of your wishes rather than the one that Oracle have imposed on you. So I'm just going to say close and join us in the second part.